morning peeps, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amanda. This is Miss Glamazon Fab over 40, and we're a lot over 40 now, people, right? So peeps, today's little video is a very quick get ready with me. So if you see me turning my head, it's to grab products. That's it. My skincare is on. I've put my moisturizer on, which is by L'Oreal, and I've put my primer on, which is a Catrice 10-in-1 primer. And for foundation, I am not actually wearing a foundation, I'm wearing a BB cream, and I have no glasses out here, so I will not be able to read a whole lot. It is by Note Cosmetics, it's in 01 and it's their BB cream. Gives you similar coverage to a foundation. I'm not going anywhere today as such, so I just thought I'd put just a pea-sized amount on the back of the hand. Generally speaking, that's the amount that I will try to use. To use it, I am like put it onto my skin. I am using the palm brush, as I call it, by Real Techniques. I think it's their dupe for the one that what's it called? God, I can't think of the name of the brushes. Artis, I think they're called. Posh brand, very expensive shit. You want to be rolling in the dough to afford them. I haven't got any of their brushes, and unless there's a winning lotto ticket coming my way, I'm unlikely to. Okay, I don't use much of this. As I say, it's a Tuesday morning, and I am not going anywhere. I'm not doing anything, but at the same time, I don't like to go out in public without something on my skin to give it a little bit of a zhuzh, okay? So that is the BB cream applied with the Real Techniques version of the Artis palm brush, which is this guy. I'm not sure how much he is. It's in Boots. Very good brush, I have to say. Because it's big and it's extremely dense, you get your foundation on very quickly. Like I have mine. That's on now. For concealer, I don't really use one. I'm using the no, this is actually the brightener by Maybelline. Twist her up a bit, and then I just lamp her on the ass where she needs the most help. Yes, where I need the most help, I lamp this on the ass. I know that different people have different ways of doing their concealer, their foundation, all the bits and bobs. I don't go mad. I literally just do it down the center of the base. Happy Christmas, lads, huh? Can't believe it. And I put a little bit up here. Just everywhere. Everywhere. Just to brighten up the center of my face. Then I leave it sit for a little while. And I get a brush, which is this baby again, my Real Techniques palm brush. And I pat this into my skin. Okay. And this is it. Just barely tap it in. It does blend very well. I love these Maybelline mascara. I have no idea what's going on today. My birds are just coming out shite. It's probably too early in the morning. My Alzheimer's is having a fucking nervous breakdown. I love these yolks by Maybelline. They're great. I have it in light. I had it in light. I used up the light and threw the empty packaging away. I didn't like it in the light. The neutralizer is very good, and the brightener is my favorite for obvious reasons. Okay, now I have that all on. Skin looks pretty good. My eyebrows were already done using I have no idea what it's called. It's over there on the bottom of the, I'm not going looking. It's by Benefit. It's a little pot with 2 different colour eyebrow powders in. 01 is what I used on my eyebrows. I didn't bother showing that in this. Because as I've said, my brain isn't working very well today, lads. So you'll be lucky if you get coherent sentences out of me. So the only thing you can do really is watch. Today is not a good Alzheimer's day. It's not a good brain day today. This is the Nakia Joy powder. I tap it once upside down, once, and then when you open it up and you take the lid off it, what you get is the perfect amount for an application. To apply the Nakia Joy Cosmetics powder, I use a big brush under the eyes very gently, but mostly this is for the face. I want to set this BB cream because for some reason I'm sweating like a mofo. No, there's no for some reason. I'm getting hot flashes during the day, and they had improved with the HRT, but I think my doctor needs to top it up a bit, lads, to be honest with you. Now, I take a little Laura Mercier sponge and I'm going to pat that under the eye here to try and hide the wrinkles. No, set the concealer I put on, set the brightener. I use the brightener as a concealer and it works really well because I don't suffer with bad skin issues. A lot of ladies suffer with shocking skin. I do not suffer with shockingly bad skin. A little bit dry, but not straight. Okay, that's my foundation set. And that Nakia Joy, you use so little of it, and that's you set for the day. And it doesn't budge either, okay? Now, once I have my foundation on, I take this palette, which is the Luna by Lisa Jordan. I've had it a while. There is a review up on my channel for you guys to watch. Bronzer, blush, highlighter, and then a little eyeshadow, shimmery eyeshadow. Okay, we're going to take a brush. We're going to apply the bronzing part just here on the cheeks. The lighting in here is really shite, lads, but unfortunately the old bank balance won't stretch to a new camera or new lighting or new anything. So unless there's a GoFundMe set up, which I would never do, I won't be affording new equipment anytime soon. I was on a list, Vestiaire Collective. I have a few new favourites on there. I added into it a couple of Fendi Peekaboo handbags. One in a nice blush, one in a nice burgundy, and one in a black. And oh my God, they just added to my I would love these if I won the lotto handbag list. Okay, so we have that, which is a little tiny bit of bronzer. Then we add in a little tiny bit of blush from this palette. Not a whole lot, just to give the face a little bit of pizzazz. Then a little bit of highlight. So we're not going mad here with the makeup. Just a little bit. You are just a little bit. Okay. That'll do. Not fussy. That sounds terrible, lads, but I'm not today. A little bit of eyeliner. I'm not even sure if this is going to go on very well for me because I'm not wearing my glasses. It's by MAC, and I'm not sure what colour it is. Coffee, I think. No glasses, but I think it's coffee. I'll do. I'm not fussy because, as I said, I'm not going anywhere today. I'm just going to be sitting in watching. Do a little bit around the house and spend the day with my dog as usual. That's my eyeliner on. Eyeshadow wise, I have a double-ended Urban Decay brush and I'm going to dip a little bit of it into the bronzer. Just onto my lid. May or may not show up for you guys. The lighting in here is absolute horrific and there's just nothing I can do. If I do that in the sitting room, it's worse. What you see is even worse. It's horrific when I do it in the sitting room. I can't. It's absolutely horrific what you see. So guys, just, I don't know, the lighting is just shocking. And until Mr. Lotto decides to come visit me, I won't be it won't be getting any better. Okay, we'll rub a little bit of the blush, put that in there as well. Because we are in black and blue today, so we're not dressed up in that. Okay. I should open up my eyes a bit for you. Now we take the eyeshadow, which is here at the bottom. It's called Highlight. It goes under the brow bone. It's a beautiful colour, I have to admit. I have to give Lisa Jordan her dues. This is a wonderful little palette. I get great use out of it. Now when you're doing your inner corner with this, go very gently, because if any of you have bought this palette, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. This highlighter colour is bomb. It tends to be very, very bright and noticeable, and you see it from space if you put too much of it on. The astronauts will be looking down going, "Oh, hi Amanda, how are you? I hope you're well." It's that good. And now I'm just going to bring the dark colour up into it a bit to calm it down. That's my highlighter for the day. Now I want to set all this makeup. Now most people would get your setting spray, which mine is by Revolution. It's their Pro Fix amazing makeup setting spray. It doesn't specify whether it's matte or not. I use a little tiny sponge, and I put the spray on the sponge. Now the sponge is just stained, and then I just pat it in over the makeup, and what it does is it sinks it into the skin for you. I'm especially fussy around the chin, because when I go out I have to wear that epoxy mask, which everybody loves wearing. Everybody loves wearing their mask. And don't we all just love wearing our little masks? Shocking. If you don't, shame on you. Under the eyes. Now don't go mad under there, but you have to set it everywhere. Forehead. Everywhere. So you're just gently pressing the makeup in and it all blends in. Then I just give it a one final spritz. That's my makeup done, except for lips. I'm not putting any mascara on. My eyelashes have been falling out and I'm just not putting any on. Today is not a mascara day. Lippies. My favourite lip combo is a dupe combo. Well, the lip liner is not a dupe for anything other than itself. It's not even a dupe. My favourite lip liner, which is reaching the end of its life, Spice by MAC. I do have a dupe and an alternative for this. I'll link my dupes lip liner video below for you. So when you finish watching this, you can click into that. You know, and there's links we can go to buy the shit. That's why it's just a lot handier. And that, my friends, is Spice Lip Liner by MAC Cosmetics. And over top, I've always wanted the Tom Ford Nude Vanilla Lipstick, but I won't pay the money for obvious reasons. I will not pay that kind of money. So, cheap bitch that I am, I went on the hunt for a dupe and I found one. Nude Edition by Sexy Mother Pucker. Now, oh no, not Sexy Mother Pucker, is it? Yeah, Sexy Mother Pucker Nude Edition Lipstick, Soap and Glory. In Boots. For €12, and it's a pretty close dupe. I watched a dupe video where they were swatched side by side, and it's bloody very similar. I have tried to get Tom Ford Nude Vanilla, can't be got anymore. I mean, okay, it's up on Amazon, but you'd be paying an exorbitant price for a product you're not sure is the real deal. That's the issue I have with buying off Amazon. And that, my friends, is my face for the day. That's my makeup done, my eyebrows are done, my hair is about to be done. So my friends, I am going to end this video here. I hope you've enjoyed. I will link all the products below. I will link the dupes video for the lip liners below, because I really do think you could save yourself money on that particular situation. I'll link as many of these products as I can find down below for you. Other things I didn't bother using was this fella here is by Clarins bronzer. Love this bronzer. Put a tiny bit of that on. Just a tiny bit. Where the sun would normally get to me. Of all my bronzers I have, I love Clarins the best. It's the best. It is the best. It's the smoothest, I think, of all of them. Now my hair, I am going to take it out of this, lads. We're going to style the hair, but I'm not going to do it in this video. So my friends, I hope you have enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. The next video you'll see coming up will be, I deleted how I curl my hair with the hair straightener video. I just wasn't happy with it, so I deleted it. And I'm going to actually, because this is second day hair and it's just frizzy, I'm going to put a few curls in it and show you how I do it. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed and get some food for thought. I will link everything below that I think might be worth purchasing for you. So that's it. If you haven't subscribed, consider joining my family. I'm as mad as a box of 2 frogs, and we have the crack on here. I do a bit of everything. I post every Tuesday and on maybe Friday or Saturday if I have anything interesting, but that's worth posting. I think you all might benefit from watching, or even benefit from watching, but that sounds bad, but might enjoy watching. That's the thing. If I said, well, I think my crew would enjoy this, I think my little YouTube fan would enjoy this, I'm going to do a video about it, then I'll do it. And hopefully entertain you on some level. So if you haven't subscribed, consider joining my family. Click below, click the bell next to it, so when I upload you all know about it. I hope you're keeping well and that you're all safe and sound. I know I'm doing okay, and you know yourself, same shit, different day. Anyway, take care of yourselves, be good, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.